Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the steps to check the connection speed from your PC. Whether you want to troubleshoot network issues or simply want to monitor your internet speed, we've got you covered. Let's get started. To begin, press the Start button located in the bottom left corner of your screen. This will open the Start menu. Next, open the Settings menu by clicking on the gear-shaped icon labeled Settings. Within the Settings menu, click on Network and Internet to access network-related settings. Now, click on Status to view the details of your current network connection. To check the connection speed of a specific network, click on Properties of the desired network. A window will appear with various properties related to your network connection. Scroll down until you find the Link Speed option. This will display the current connection speed of your network. And there you have it. You've successfully checked the connection speed from your PC. Now you can monitor your network speed or troubleshoot any issues you may be experiencing. Thank you for watching our tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Happy browsing!